Then I will show the screen. Addition, no need of writing again and again because already you wrote it. Yes?
We can show the board.
Yes, wait. 1 minute, I will close the door. It is raining. Third problem, you can write it. Adinath, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No doubt. 10:37, you have to stop writing, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I will not give much time. Which one? Yes, Abel.
Ma'am, in the third question, the last number is 444, 333, 222.
Yes.
Ma'am, why are you showing the answer already?
You don't want to show the answer because place
No, ma'am.
value have to write.
No,
Because they
ma'am.
will not finish the question.
No, ma'am. No need to.
No need of showing. Okay. So shall I change the screen?
No, ma'am. I need to see the question, not the answer.
Yes, you don't see the answer.
I finished full of them.
Place value have to write it. Okay. I will cover it. Shall I cover it now? Already finished.
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am. Now I am adding.
Yes, you can add. Finished.
No, ma'am. Not yet.
Okay, 1 more minute I will give you. You can add. Don't see. Only copy the question and you can add that.
I finished.
Finished.
Ma'am, I finished.
Okay. What is the answer? You got it?
Ma'am, 8.
Yes.
84 crore.
Yes.
73 lakh.
Yes.
84,000.
No.
128.
128. 84 crore it will come because 10
Ma'am,
crore
can you
is
show the
also there.
question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it
10
is the
crore
question now.
and a crore is going to be mixed and it will be 84 crore.
Yes, 84 crore, 73 lakh.
73 lakhs.
No, yes, 84,000.
84,120.
Who got correct answer? Very happy. Who is that? Adinath got.
Adidev also.
Yes.
Ma'am, my
Ma'am, I
correct
thought
answer.
that.
Shall we go to the next problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Three terms are there. Three numbers are there. This is the fourth one.
Should we write examples?
Examples, no need of writing. You can continue. Fourth one.
Okay, ma'am.
Three numbers are there.
And can you show the previous one?
Who is asking now previous one?
No, ma'am. No need.
3, 6, 0, 8, 9. To only copy the question. Don't see the answers.
Ma'am, Amil is asking.
Amil is
Ma'am,
asking
can
how
you
much
show
is
the
there,
previous
Amil?
one?
Ma'am, not Amil. Amiel.
Amiel Shaijo. Yes.
Okay, can you show next one?
Yes, wait. Amiel finished, completed now. Amil Shaijo.
Completed.
Okay. Third question, only copy the question. Don't write the answer. You can write by, only copy the question. Only 1 minute I will give you to copy the question.
Ma'am, I cannot see the fourth question.
Which one?
Now I can see.
Now you can see because I am covering the answer. Only copy the question. Yes, I will change the screen. Three numbers are there.
No, ma'am, I did not.
Don't write the answer. Only copy the question I told.
Ma'am, I didn't copy the question also.
Yes, copy it fast.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, where we should write it?
In class notes, not in rough
Okay.
book. In your class notes. Workbook problem, tomorrow we can start.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I am in my auntie's house. I don't have the book.
Friday enough. Friday you can bring.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in this column, we no need of scroll.
Now I will change the screen now. You have to.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Who is copying the question still?
Ma'am,
I just joined. I don't write anything. I'm writing the question again because I don't have
Yes.
space in the other page.
Which one?
I'm writing the question again because I don't have space in the other page.
Ma'am, I finished.
Okay.
Ma'am, finish.
Finished the answer. Okay. All of you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Yes, Varada, what is your answer you got?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
finished.
I not completed.
Not completed.
Ma'am, can I say Adidev
No,
answer?
ma'am.
Just wait, Adidev, let them write now. Adidev completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Wait. Devadarshan, are you writing still?
Ma'am, we need to put crow's place also.
Which crores place, because 5 plus 3, 1 will come, because 10 lakh if you are adding, it will come as crore.
Ma'am, finish.
Here only
Finish.
3, 5, 8
Ma'am, can
digits
I
will
say the
come.
answer now?
Yes. Varada completed now?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
the
Aiba?
answer is 1 crore
No, yes, 1 crore.
87
No,
The-
no. 8 lakh.
8 lakh
Hmm.
77,920.
Yes. 900 is not there, only 20.
Okay, ma'am. I forgot about it. Ma'am, I correct.
1 crore,
Mine also
8
correct,
lakh,
ma'am.
77,020 only, not 920. All of you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Shall we go to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one you can write subtraction.
Ma'am, I didn't finish.
Who did not complete still?
Excellent.
1 crore, 8 lakh, 77,020.
Ma'am, I wrote the heading subtraction.
Yes, you can do it.
Ma'am, is there borrowing in the subtraction?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Can you show the subtraction now?
Yes. Completed, Anselin? All of you completed now. Shall we go to the next one?
I'm ready.
Henry is facing network issue. Shall we go to the subtraction problems? Yes. 9685 minus 5443.
Subtraction.
Not subtraction, subtraction.
Ma'am, is this only one question?
I will see how many questions I wrote it.
Ma'am, it's like
Subtraction,
three
don't say it
questions.
is subtraction.
Ma'am, it's like 3 questions.
Only 3 questions. I will see. I will see. Just only one problem is there, I think. Not much. Okay. Because already you are knowing it, so that.
Ma'am, finish. Ma'am,
Yes.
I have a doubt because
Yes. Tell me.
yes, there's first question is 9,685 minus
Hmm.
5,443.
Hmm.
Okay, ma'am.
5 minus 3 is 2. 8 minus 4 is 4. 6 minus 4 2. 9 minus 5. Here also I have to write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands.
Easy, ma'am.
Ma'am, finish. I couldn't have
No,
Finish.
ma'am. No, ma'am, I didn't finish.
Now where you will make mistake, I will tell you one problem. I will do it. No need of writing. There you will chance of making mistake in subtraction.
Ma'am, can you show the next slide?
Yes, all of you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, now I've completed, ma'am.
Now listen.
Yes, ma'am.
1728 minus 1678. How will you subtract this?
Ma'am, first we should
Yes,
start.
only
Ma'am,
one.
we have
Only
to
one.
borrow from.
Ma'am, we can borrow.
We have to borrow from.
Yes, Adidev, only one you can talk. Others,
Ma'am,
please mute.
Adidev.
Yes. How will you borrow?
Ma'am, we have to take from the tens place.
Yes.
The 2 is in the tens place, so we have to take 1 from
Oh.
2 and make 8 into 18.
Oh, it will become 18 minus 9. You will get it as 9. Okay.
9.
What is the next one?
Now, because we took borrow from
Oh.
2, now only 1 minus 7.
Okay,
So we
one.
have to borrow again.
Again, you have to borrow. So what
From
it will
7.
become now?
From 7, we have to take 1, so it will become
Oh.
11.
11 minus 7 will be what? 4.
11 minus 7
Ma'am,
will be
this is
4.
It
Four.
became 6 minus 6, 0, 1 minus
0 and 1 minus
So
1,
only the
0.
answer is 49. Okay.
Only 49.
How many of you are not knowing this type of subtraction, borrowing and doing? All are knowing?
Ma'am, I know,
I know.
All are knowing.
I know that.
We go to the next problem. Subtraction
Okay, ma'am.
by borrowing.
Ma'am.
No need of explaining.
I did the second. Ma'am, I
Okay, you
did.
can do it now.
Can you show the second answer?
Yes, this is the second one. No need of writing problems again and again. You can write the second problem. So addition and subtraction, you are thorough. No need of doing much problems.
What is the meaning of 40?
Ma'am, this is
Ma'am, is
subtraction.
this 5 digit?
Yes, it is 5 digit.
Ma'am, this is subtraction.
Yes.
49. X L I X 50 L 51 L I 52 L I L 53
Ma'am, I finished.
Finished.
Yes, ma'am. It was easy.
Easy.
Yes, ma'am, it was easy.
Ma'am, I was learning this starting LKG.
Okay. So no difficulty.
Yes, ma'am. So easy.
Ma'am Henry, I can't on my video.
Yes.
Ma'am, it is going as a pattern. Ma'am, this is going as a pattern.
This is going pattern.
Yes, ma'am, this and the
2,
previous
3,
one.
2. Okay.
4, 2, 4, 2. The
4, 2,
previous
4,
one
2.
too.
Very good. Now there are one more problem is there. You can write this as third problem. Subtraction.
Ma'am, can you show the previous one? No, ma'am.
Second one, addition, subtraction.
Third one.
Who did not complete second one? All of you completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Third question.
Finish, ma'am.
Somebody unmuted, please mute.
Nivaros, Adidev and Devdarshan is unmuted.
Yes, Devadarshan.
Ma'am, finished, ma'am.
Yes, Ivaros, please
Ma'am,
mute.
I didn't finish.
Adidev, please mute.
Ma'am, I didn't finish.
You can complete, no problem.
Ma'am, I finished.
Finished.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, are we doing more questions?
Yes, some word problems also I will give you.
Okay, ma'am. Let me.
Because all together it will come under workbook. It will be easy for you to solve the workbook problems.
Ma'am, I finished the answer.
Finished. 35,400.
Finish, ma'am.
Shall we go to the next one? Some problems are there. You can copy this problem.
Can you show the previous one? I didn't finish.
Who did not complete?
Now we need to write the total expense.
Yes, that is the word problem. Word problem means how to write the steps. That is important. Okay. 2 word problems I will give you. You can solve it and then we can go for.
Ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
This is the 4th chapter.
Okay, ma'am.
Ah.
Now you can show
Now,
the one.
total expenses for fertilizer is rupees 17,890 and that on seeds is rupees 12,865 and irrigation is rupees, this full stop, rupees. Irrigation.
I have to write this in the note.
Yes, class notes. What is the total amount? Total amount means you should add all the values. How much will remain or what is the balance means you have to subtract it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Total expenses for fertilizer. Fertilizer means you are knowing. What is fertilizer? John
ma'am.
Daniel?
Ma'am, Leia is not able to see the board.
She cannot see the board. Once again, I will stop sharing and do it. Let her see.
But I was able to see, ma'am.
Now, can you see Leia? Otherwise, you rejoin again. You can see it.
Yes, ma'am, I can see now.
Now you can see. Okay. Total expenses for fertilizer. What is meant by fertilizer? John Daniel? Fertilizer. You know what is meant by fertilizer? Joseph Nihal?
No, ma'am, I don't know. No, ma'am, Joseph Nihal has been audio problems.
Audio problem. Arfan,
Ma'am,
can you
I
tell me
know.
what is meant by fertilizer?
Ma'am, Serrano.
Yes, Sarah. What is Sarah?
I know what is fertilizers.
What is meant by fertilizer?
Ma'am, I think I know also.
They are the soil that we use to plant
Yes.
plants.
Yes. For growing the
Fertilizer.
plants, we will put extra for growth. extra things for its growth.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
like water, sunlight, and all.
No, that is
No,
that is
ma'am.
also, that is not the fertilizer. Urea, NPK, phosphorus, and
Ma'am, in the
animal dung,
fertilizers, there
ash,
will be
and
extra
phosphorus.
nutrients for the plants.
Yes, these are the fertilizers.
Ma'am, on that, what is meaning of irrigation?
Irrigation means you for watering that.
Okay, ma'am.
Seeds means that we are planting, that are called the seeds. So fertilizers, how much he spent? Don't write the steps. Don't write the answer. What is the total amount? So how much he spent on fertilizer? 17,890 he spent for fertilizers. How much he spent for seeds? 12,865.
165.
How much he spent for irrigation? 16,000. What is the total? You should add all this. 17,890 plus 12,865, 16,725. ₹47,480. Did you understand this problem? Any doubt?
No, ma'am. Can you show the problem again? I need to complete.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
nobody was speaking, so I thought I had little introduction. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, did you complete now?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. I didn't complete.
finished.
Yes,
No,
you
ma'am,
can
I didn't
complete.
complete. I'm still writing the question.
Ma'am, we need to put a slash after irrigation is rupees.
Yes, you can write it.
Ma'am, I got the correct answer.
Got the correct
Ma'am,
answer?
I didn't get, ma'am. I didn't get.
Okay, you can do it.
Ma'am, I'm still writing the question.
Yes, do it, do it.
Ma'am, I write and finish.
Got and finished?
Yes.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, I didn't finish. I'm still writing the question. I should be write the place value also.
Place value you can write. No need. Here you can add directly.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got the correct answer.
Got the correct answer?
No, ma'am, I didn't. I didn't. No, ma'am, I didn't. Now this is subtraction, right?
Yes, subtract. No, this is addition. Shall we go to the next problem? One more word problem is there about?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Who did not
Yes,
complete?
ma'am.
Page finished.
Adidev.
Adidev.
Ma'am, we need to write the steps and that.
Yes, steps are important for word problem. Or the amount he spent on fertilizers, the amount he spent on seeds, the amount he spent on irrigation, but I should write short form. Then total you can write.
Ma'am, my page finished.
Finished.
No,
Amin
ma'am,
said,
no, I didn't finish.
Right fast, Dalvi.
And finished.
Finished. Yes, next one.
No, ma'am.
A merchant took and
Yes,
went
ma'am. Now I
rupees.
finished.
Adidev.
Now I finished, ma'am.
Yes, he brought back rupees 3,000. How much did he spend? A merchant took and went rupees 15,000 with him.
What is mean by merchant?
Merchant means those who are selling items.
Ma'am, what's the meaning of merchant?
Those who are selling the items. Merchant.
First question, one more.
Which one?
One more. To see that answer.
Yes, rupees 47,480.
Now, can you
Ma'am,
show
can you show the next
can you
one,
show the
sir?
next one?
Yes, merchant took and went rupees 15,000 with him. He brought back rupees 3,000. How much did he spend?
15,000. Right, ma'am?
Yes, total amount you can write 15,000 rupees, 15,000. Here also 12,000 rupees or
Ma'am, so this is subtracting, right?
yes. How you will come to know that much? Total means you have to add. How much is balance? Remaining means subtract. These are the important problems coming under this workbook.
Ma'am, that those I know. If add and dot comes, it will be and total will become will be adding.
Yes.
And to show the remaining, it will be subtraction.
Do it now fast.
Ma'am, Anselin is saying that her phone is get overheated.
Phone is getting over. You not charge now?
No, ma'am.
The charge is there, but
Ma'am, overheated.
Working overheated, ma'am.
Last period, before last period, your phone will be working now. You are the host now today.
Ma'am, put in the charger and see the glass.
Hmm?
Ma'am, put the charger in the phone and see the glass.
Yes.
I am seeing like that, ma'am.
Only 8 minutes now.
Yes, and the phone will blast. Ma'am, what is 125?
I am doing with my
One.
phone.
125.
Where 125? Rupees that. Rupees.
Yeah.
Rupees 15,000. This is rupees 15,000. 15,000 RS short form.
Ma'am, we need to add 15,000 and 12,000.
No. Subtract.
Okay, ma'am.
He took and went 15,000. He brought back only how much? 3,000 to home.
So we have to
3,000.
subtract
Yes, because
3,000 and
balance.
3,000.
How much he spent?
So he spent a lot of money.
Yes, he spent a lot of money because he is a merchant. He is buying. Again, he will get the profit. 15,000 he took. 12,000 items he brought. Again, he will get 24,000 for that.
Ma'am, the correct answer is 300. 3,000 itself.
Yes, he has.
Ma'am,
He's
the
having.
there is a zero.
Yes. That also, if he's spending, how much it will come? Only 0.
Yes, ma'am.
But since he is a merchant, he can go. If you are taking and going 15,000 and bringing back means you will be buying this thing, that thing.
Ma'am, I got the correct answer.
Ma'am, I think I know. Ma'am, I did my mind.
Yes.
It's easy, ma'am.
CC. So shall we start workbook problems today itself? No need of waiting.
I'm only
Yes,
6
ma'am.
minutes.
Okay, 1 minute. Let me see.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, we can do that also.
Ma'am, should we do the place value chart?
ma'am, who is taking the happy hour?
Anselim. Anselim is taking her home.
Did you complete it?
No, ma'am.
Still you are writing?
Yes. Now I completed, ma'am. Now I completed.
Ma'am, I completed.
Completed.
Ma'am, brought back. Can we do next one?
Yes.
Brought back amount. Can we write it as brought back?
Which one?
Ma'am, brought back amount. Can we write it as brought back?
Ah, yes. All of you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
At least the 3 problems we can do it within 5 minutes.
Ma'am, we can do problems
Yes.
in the next class.
Page number is 42.
Yes, ma'am.
Page
Ma'am, I
number
do the
42.
first one yourself. See,
Yes.
42.
Adidev, you can read the first problem.
Okay, ma'am. 1 minute.
These notes I will send through WhatsApp. Those who did not complete, almost all are present. Except that, who is that? Viraj and
Ma'am, can I say the first problem?
yes, first problem you can read now.
The sum of two numbers is 5,000. The
5,000?
numbers are
Page number.
Page number 42. Is it 5,000 or 50,000?
50,000, ma'am. 50,000.
50,000.
Ma'am, can you share the screen? I didn't finish the previous question.
Yes, you can write it. Yes. Yes, Adidev. Which is correct?
Ma'am, option C is the
Numbers together will
Ah.
be 50,000.
If we
Ma'am,
add
Ma'am, C.
option C.
45,000
Yes.
and 5,000.
45,000 plus 5,000. You will get it as 50,000. So which option is correct? First one is
C.
4.1.
C.
Option C.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the second question, I think some.
Yes, Adinath, second question.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
The difference between
Hmm.
903
No, 9,000.
9,003.
9,003
Hmm.
and 9,000 is
Ah.
dash.
Ma'am,
Differ-
3.
3. What is the difference means what? You have to
Ma'am,
subtract.
A, ma'am.
3,
Option
3,
A. 3 is the correct answer.
Ma'am, I don't understand the question.
Ma'am, I understood.
The difference
When we-
between
Ma'am,
9,
when we
please mute.
minus
9,000. Yes, Aditya, please
9,000
mute.
and 3, it will be 9,000.
3000. So what is the answer you will get? Only 3.
3, A. A is the answer, ma'am.
Yes. Difference between you have to subtract.
Okay, ma'am.
Abel, what is the third question?
Some more.
How much it
38.
is?
It is
3 lakh.
3 lakhs.
I do this question in
3 lakh. Yes.
3,80,000
And
and
2 lakh. 1 lakh. 1
2
2 lakh 10,000. What is the sum?
90,000.
5 lakh. Which option is correct?
B.
Option?
B.
Option B.
B, ma'am.
Option B.
59,000. No,
Yes.
ma'am. 5 lakh 90,000.
5 lakh 90,000. Option B. Okay, next one, little bit thinking and
Sum of the
doing.
digits in the 10 lakhs places.
Next problem we can do in the next class. Okay.
Ma'am, in the multiple choice, the first one, there is like CAB, there is ABC.
A, B, C, D. Yes.
And it is in the workbook.
Yes, this is workbook. Okay, bye-bye. See you in the next class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, because the problem I will do in the next class. All of you understood now? Edit if you can.
Ma'am.
Okay, bye.
Did you take the
Thank you.
attendance?